Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a quick video, which I still have to make on Dymension. All right, I wanted to do a video on that. Usually, when such a big crypto launches, I do some sort of a launch update. All right, so we'll look at the market cap, we'll look at how the launch went, and we'll talk about what's possible from here. So that's also what I wanted to do this evening. I'm a bit tired, so if I'm a bit slow, then there's that. And this is like we're going to really be looking at the price, all right? So this is fully focused on the price and a little bit on the market cap, whether I think it's justified or not, etc., etc. If you want to know more about Dymension, if you want to know what it is and whether I think it actually is a good long-term pick, then head over to my second channel, right? If you go to my second channel, which is not Cilinix Crypto, it is Cilinix Crypto Reviews. Right here, you'll see that about 3 hours ago I uploaded a full review on Dymension. So if you want to check that out, I would greatly appreciate a subscribe. I'm building out this channel right now. There's some, I think there's some real value on there, but it's up to you to check out. Right? If you want to know more, then check that out. But for now, let's take a look at Dymension. And let me be ahead of all the technical analysts. This is the 1 minute time frame. All right, there is a very limited amount, there's very limited, I can say, or limited amount of information I can give you based on the 1 minute time frame. All right, you cannot really trade this. But the thing is that overall, I mean, there are some things of value I think I can say about the chart right now on Dymension. And apart from that, I mean, with previous launches like Zeta, but also today with Mavia a little bit, but also with Manta when it first launched, and with Alt, looking at these early charts actually does give some sort of an idea, because right now you can see on Dymension, this is actually the wrong chart that we're looking at. The right chart is this one. This is on Binance. This already makes more sense. But let me quickly delete the other one. Where is it? I'm not sure. Doesn't matter. But this is the Binance one, and you can see that the listing on Binance was delayed a bit, and basically after Binance listed, which is an interesting phenomenon, and definitely something to remember, that if a big new crypto launches on other exchanges first, and then later on Binance launches it, it might be a good idea to just buy. But right here, I mean, you can see it basically since then it has been very bullish. Right now the tides are changing a little bit. This is obviously the early stage, so Dymension is still gaining open interest, still more and more positions are being opened on Dymension right here. But the big question is can we actually sustain some bullish momentum? Because we had a lot of momentum after the Binance listing, all the way into this resistance right here at 6.2. Right now, Dymension, I mean, I think the project is great long term, and I think it deserves at least a 1 billion market cap, which from here is about a 25% increase, a little bit less, like a 20% increase or so, a bit more, 21. So I do think it deserves that, but at this moment, I mean, the market circumstances are not necessarily ideal. An 830 million market cap at launch is quite a lot. It's quite a new project. So is that justified? I don't know. I think the technicals will tell us that story. I mean, the main support level, I would say, based on the limited technicals we have, is 5.5. All right. The main area where I would be interested to actually buy again would probably be around $5 if we get some sort of bullish confirmation from there. I will never blind buy there. So that would probably be my main price target. But right now, I do think we have a shot at actually rallying again. But what would need to happen is that we would need to find support at 5.5 and 5.4 here with a 100 EMA and the 0.5 FIB. And from there, we would need to get a significant bullish breakout. All right, so let's say a breakout above 5.75 and that we can actually hold that afterwards. If we can do that, I think we can rally back up to 6.3, 6.5, and who knows how far we can get. But given the sell-off we can see right here, and given just in general the bearish momentum that you can observe here, I doubt whether this is most likely. I'm actually leaning towards telling you that I think it's more likely that we'll get some sort of a bounce at 5.5 and 5.4, but that it will not result in a significant and sustained bullish breakout, but that it will rather just respect resistance, be a bearish break retest, and that will drop down towards that support level at 2.25 at first, but then later on $5. I think that's most likely. Now, I'll do an update tomorrow, then we'll have a little bit more price action and a bit more history, of course. But for now, those are my thoughts. I think that's what you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. I'll leave the link to the video on Dymension down in the description and the pinned comment, so check that out. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.